In the creator economy, it can feel like a constant competition, right? Like, for you to win, somebody else has to lose. But what if that's just not true? Today, we're digging into OfferLab, a platform built on this really cool idea that creators can make way more money when they actually work together. Let's see how they're pulling it off. So let's just start with this one question, because it kind of flips the whole hustle culture thing on its head. For so long, we've been told it's a solo race to the top. But OfferLab is asking, what if the secret to growing your income isn't about beating everyone else, but about teaming up? This one simple idea is pretty much the foundation for everything they do. And their answer to that question is this really clever tool they call the Collab Funnel. Honestly, this is the engine that makes the whole platform go, so it's the perfect place for us to start. So what is this thing really? Well, a collab funnel basically tosses out that old, rigid sales page. Instead of just selling one product, it's this super flexible, curated experience where you can feature offers from yourself and other creators, all in the same smooth checkout flow. I think the best way to get it is to imagine you're walking into a really cool, curated boutique. You might go in for one specific thing, but then you spot all these other amazing products that just go perfectly with it. It ends up being a win-win-win. The customer gets more cool stuff they love, the original seller makes a bigger sale, and the partner creator earns money without lifting a finger. And here's the best part. Even with all this collaborative power, the structure is incredibly simple. Every single funnel just has three basic parts: the products themselves, the offers, the initial checkout page, and then a final summary showing everything the customer picked up on their journey. Okay, so that's the what. Now let's get to the good stuff, the how. As in, how do you actually make money? We're going to start with the first way you can use OfferLab, as a seller. As a seller, you are totally in the driver's seat. You add your products, you decide what commission you want to offer affiliates, and you get paid out instantly through Stripe. But here's where that collaboration magic happens. You can also pull other creators' products right into your funnel. This means you earn extra cash from affiliate commissions and boost your total sale, all without having to create anything new. Pretty smart, right? And let's be absolutely crystal clear on this. When you sell your own product in your own funnel, you keep 100% of that sale, minus the standard payment processing fees. That's it. No hidden cuts, no funny business. This slide kind of lays out the two core roles on the platform perfectly. You can be the seller, focused on your own product with those awesome instant payouts, or you can be the affiliate, earning money just by promoting other people's stuff. So let's dig into that second path right now. Okay, on to path number 2. This is absolutely perfect for creators who maybe don't have a product of their own yet, or for anyone who just wants to make money by sharing great offers that they actually believe in. This is all about earning as an affiliate. And the process couldn't be simpler. You find offers you think are great, you build them into a collab funnel, and you get that commission at the seller set for every single sale you bring in. Now, the only real difference from being a seller is that your affiliate payouts are held for 30 days. It's a pretty standard thing, just to make sure any potential customer refunds can be handled smoothly. But wait, it gets even better. Affiliate commissions are not the only way you can earn by promoting. OfferLab has this really unique bonus system they call the Supercharge, and it's basically a second-tier reward you get for helping the whole creator community grow. The absolute easiest way to wrap your head around this is to think of it like a family tree. When you invite another creator to the platform, they become one of your direct branches. And then when they invite people, well, your tree just keeps growing, and so do your potential earnings. And this part is so important. This bonus, this supercharge money, it's paid to you directly by OfferLab from their own cut. It never, ever comes out of the earnings of the people you invited. Their income is completely safe, which makes this a true win-win for everybody involved. So here's how that growth actually gets rewarded. Everybody starts out at the green level, but once you hit $1,000 in total earnings, boom, you unlock silver. And that means you start earning a passive percentage on all the sales from your entire referral tree. And for the real top performers, once you hit $100,000 in earnings, that reward jumps to a full 2% for life. That's a pretty powerful long-term income stream. Okay, the earning potential is obviously there, but let's talk about the bottom line, the costs. How does OfferLab make its money, and what fees should you know about? Their whole pricing model is built on this really simple idea. There are no monthly fees, no setup costs, and it costs you nothing to list your products. It is totally free to get started. You only pay a small slice when you actually make money. So what does that look like when a sale happens? Well, on every transaction, there's a 7.5% platform fee for OfferLab and a pretty standard 3.5% merchant fee for the payment processor. The rest of the money, that gets split between the seller and the affiliate based on whatever commission they agreed on. Simple as that. The only other cost you might run into is for affiliates when they go to withdraw their earnings. It's just a small flat fee per payout for US-based affiliates with the standard currency exchange fees for everyone else. And all of this just brings us right back to that one powerful central idea that makes OfferLab so different. The whole system is designed so that anyone can earn, because it's all about rewarding creators for working together. So the big takeaway here is really just how flexible you are to get going. You can focus 100% on selling your own stuff. You can be purely an affiliate, building funnels with other people's awesome offers. Or you can do what a lot of people do and create a powerful hybrid, mixing your own products with others from the community to create the most value for everyone. I mean, this really is a game changer. The barrier to entry is just gone. You don't even need a product to start making money. You just have to find great offers, connect with other creators, and start building. So really, the only question left to ask is, what are you going to create together?